Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll go over a problem in which we have to do synthetic division for these polynomials. So in this problem, we have to divide x squared minus 4x plus 3 by x minus 1. So this polynomial is the dividend. So that's the name given to this polynomial. And x minus 1 is called the divisor. Now we have to divide this dividend by divisor. So first we'll start with the setup for the synthetic division. Now for synthetic division, the setup looks like this. So this is the division symbol for synthetic division. Now in synthetic division, we don't write the complete dividend like we do for long division. So in synthetic division, we only use the coefficients of the terms in the dividend. Now the coefficients here are 1. So the first coefficient is 1, the invisible one with x squared. The second coefficient is negative 4. And the third coefficient is 3, which is just the number term. So we'll write these coefficients in the same order. Now we'll write the number from the divisor. So for that, we set the divisor equal to 0 and then solve for x. So we add 1 to both sides. To the ones on the left side cancel each other out. So we are left with x equals 0 plus 1, which is 1. So we'll use this one. So we'll write it outside here, outside this division symbol for synthetic division. So this is the setup for synthetic division. And now we'll start the synthetic division. So first step is to bring down this first coefficient and we write it under the line 1. Now we multiply this 1 that we wrote at the top on the left side with this 1 that we brought down. So 1 times 1 is equal to 1 and we write that 1 under negative 4. Now we add these numbers in the column. So negative 4 plus 1 is equal to negative 3. And now we multiply this 1 by negative 3. We get negative 3. We put this under the 3. Now we add the numbers in the column. So we get 0. So this is the end of this synthetic division. So in this case, the 0 here represents the remainder. And the quotient is represented by these first two numbers. Now, how do we use these quotient numbers? So the first thing we see is, our dividend has a degree of 2, which is the highest power on the x. So the degree of the dividend is 2 and the degree of the divisor is 1. That means the degree of the quotient will be 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So the degree of the quotient is 1. So that means we will put an x with the first number and the second number will just be the number term in the quotient. So for this synthetic division, so the quotient is x minus 3. So 1x is written as just x because we don't write 1 as a coefficient. So that is the invisible coefficient. So this is the quotient for this synthetic division. And now we can write a division statement for this synthetic division. So we'll write the dividend first. So x squared minus 4x plus 3 over the divisor, which is x minus 1, equals the quotient, which is x minus 3. Now here the remainder is 0, so we do not have to include the remainder in our division statement. So this should be the final answer for this synthetic division. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.